Quack, quack, quack. Hello everyone. My name is Antika. I'm from FS2H. Animal is a hen. It lives in the farm.
What does it eat?
It eats fruits, vegetables, grains and anything. It lives in the green areas and lays eggs. That's very healthy for us. I like hen because it doesn't disturb any other animal. Thank you. Quack, quack, quack. Thank you. Quack, quack, quack.